Hi. Pull the air conditioner off.
Mm-hmm.
First thing first. I don't really know what's going on here.
That's some ghetto.
And
oh, yeah.
that's hard as shit. You can...
Yeah, that's dry rotted. Those need to actually be done with proper braided AN line, not that jankiness there. They're routed a little weird too, but yeah, we can make this a lot better. Mainly because it needs to be made a lot better. Have I already complained about this? Because I'm going to complain about it again. Because that's not how that goes. That's supposed to be like that. That's supposed to go to the heater core. Now, if your heater core's blocked off,
There, heater core in this car?
it's sticking out down there. I don't know if it's any good. Probably not. Yeah. No. You can put a plug in here. That's not a problem. But doing this, that is incorrect. Because this bypass is supposed to always be there. Because that'll keep you from having a hot spot. Fords don't like hot spots.
The inside. I did half the car.
You've been cleaning? Lovely.
Well, I mean, you can see the...
Yeah. Getting there.
Yeah.
So first order of business is tidy it up. And then we can continue on. That's
I
lovely.
might die if I try to work in this car with the dirt and sand and dust everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that there's been no windshield for 2 years.
And this Phytech controller is probably going to need to get replaced because that is
Yeah, it
no
was kind of
esplano.
just on the ground under everything.
Fun. All right, well.
I'm sure this tape is going to be a hoop to get off.
Oh, Scotty and I were it was already burnt on when the car originally came for storage a couple years ago. So, yeah, that's going to be, we've had that discussion already. And you said the radiator is...
Seen better days. Not horrible, but...
pretty gross. I may recommend an aluminum radiator, which I've already probably recommended when we did the initial... That's disgusting. Yeah. Brand new engine. Used crusty radiator has been cleaned out. No. Bad. Bad. Bad.
But definitely tires by the end of this week.
Yeah, we discussed that already.
I know,
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
You're reiterating?
Yeah.
All right, so...
I don't think we showed this.
Oh, no, this one's really...
Literal, like, half the sidewall's missing right there.
I wouldn't even... Like, it's scary to push this.
These are scarier than the ones that were on the wagon.
Yeah.
I don't even...
These wheels would look cool on the wagon. I wonder if they'd fit.
Same bolt pattern?
I think so.
What bolt pattern are these?
4.5. And that's 4.5. Hey, no flipping the bird on camera. Look it. It's 2-for-1 Cougar fun today. Cougar. You're a minx.
That's the real Cougar because it's older. Or wait, no, this is a real Cougar because it's older.
That one's
That's
pretty
newer. How are you?
Cougies everywhere. All right. Get back to work. Fine, be that way.